Struggling to squat even 10 kilos? You're not alone. In fact, thousands of people, especially over 50, hit this exact wall. But here's the good news. You don't need heavy weights to build strong, powerful legs. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to get there, step by step. If you've ever walked into a gym and felt discouraged watching others squat heavy weights while you struggle with even 10 kilos, this video is for you. As a certified fitness coach, I can tell you this with 100% confidence. Strength isn't built by loading a barbell too soon. It's built by mastering movement, building mobility, and gradually progressing. And that's especially important if you're over 50. At this stage, protecting your joints, improving balance, and building functional strength are far more valuable than ego lifting. In the next 15 minutes, I'll guide you through a complete, low-impact leg workout routine designed for beginners or anyone who can't squat heavy yet. We'll cover warm-up, key exercises, progressions, common mistakes, and how to safely move from body weight to loaded squats over time. Let's clear up one of the biggest myths in fitness. You must squat heavy to build strong legs. That's simply not true. Your muscles don't read the numbers on a barbell. They respond to tension, control, and consistency. For beginners or those returning to training after a break, your focus should be on movement quality, not maximum weight. If your hips are tight, your knees unstable, or your core weak, adding 10 or 20 kilos too soon can actually set you back, sometimes with injury. Research shows that body weight and moderate resistance exercises performed with proper technique and tempo can stimulate muscle growth and strength, especially in the early stages of training. And for people over 50, your priority is joint health, balance, and functional strength. The strength that helps you walk upstairs with ease, get out of a chair without pain, or carry groceries confidently. That's why in this workout, you won't see heavy barbells. Instead, we'll use simple, powerful exercises that build strength from the ground up, literally. Think of it as laying the foundation of a house. If the base is weak, adding weight is like building on sand. But if the base is strong, you can load up later without fear. Before you do a single leg exercise, you need to warm up and unlock your joints. A proper warm-up prepares your muscles, improves range of motion, and drastically lowers injury risk. Here's a simple 3 to 5 minute routine to do before every leg workout. 1. March in place or light high knees for 30 seconds. This boosts circulation and gently raises your heart rate. 2. Leg swings. Swing each leg front to back and side to side. This wakes up your hip flexors and improves mobility. 3. Ankle circles and calf raises. Rotate each ankle slowly, then do 15 calf raises. Strong ankles improve balance and squat depth. 4. Wall squat hold. Stand facing a wall, feet shoulder-width apart, and slowly lower into a deep squat while keeping your heels down. Hold for 30 seconds. This improves hip and ankle mobility without loading your joints. 5. Glute activation bridges. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips, squeezing your glutes at the top. Do 15 reps. This warm-up may seem simple, but it's crucial. Most people skip it, and that's why their squats feel stiff, their knees hurt, or their form breaks down. Take 3 to 5 minutes to prepare, and you'll move better and feel stronger through the entire workout. Now, let's get into the core workout. If you can't squat 10 kilos yet, these exercises will help you build strength safely. No heavy weights required. 1. Supported box squats. Use a sturdy chair or box. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower yourself down like sitting into a chair, then push through your heels to stand back up. Keep your chest lifted and core tight. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Progress by lowering the height over time. 2. Step-ups. Find a step or low bench. Step up with your right foot, drive through the heel, then step down slowly. Alternate legs. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps each leg. 3. Glute bridges. Lie down, bend knees, and lift your hips, squeezing glutes at the top. Hold for a second before lowering. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. You can add a resistance band above the knees for extra challenge. 4. Wall sits. Slide down a wall until your knees are at 90 degrees. Keep your back flat. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds, 2 to 3 rounds. 5. Calf raises. Stand tall, lift your heels slowly, pause at the top, then lower down with control. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Perform this routine 2 to 3 times per week. Focus on slow, controlled reps, not rushing through the sets.
Building strength is all about progression, but progression doesn't always mean adding weight immediately. Here's how to gradually move from body weight to squatting 10 kilos and beyond. Stage 1. Master the basics, weeks 1 through 4. Focus on mobility and perfecting form in supported box squats, step-ups, and bridges. Increase time under tension. Slow down your lowering phase. Stage 2. Add light resistance, weeks 4 through 8. Introduce a resistance band for bridges or hold a light dumbbell at your chest for goblet squats. Keep reps moderate, 8 to 12, and maintain excellent form. Stage 3. Increase load gradually, weeks 8 through 12. Move to goblet squats with a 5 to 10 kilogram dumbbell. Use progressive overload. Add a little weight, a few reps, or reduce rest time. Stage 4. Barbell or heavier loads after 12 plus weeks. Only once your movement is strong and pain-free should you consider heavier squats. Remember, this isn't a race. Strength is built steadily. If you're over 50, slow, controlled progression protects your joints and builds long-term capability. Think of it this way. You're not just training for the gym, you're training for life.
Before we wrap up, let's cover some common mistakes I see all the time. 1. Skipping warm-up. Tight hips and ankles limit your squat depth and cause discomfort. Always warm up first. 2. Adding weight too early. If your knees cave in or your heels lift during squats, you're not ready for extra load. Fix the pattern first. 3. Half reps. Not going through the full range reduces muscle activation. Use a box or chair to guide proper depth. 4. Speeding through exercises. Fast reps use momentum, not strength. Slow down, especially on the way down. That's where you build real power. 5. Ignoring balance and mobility. Strong legs need stable ankles, mobile hips, and engaged core muscles. Neglecting these leads to plateaus or injuries. Correcting these mistakes early saves months of frustration. Take your time, train smart, and trust the process. Here's the bottom line. Not being able to squat 10 kilos is not a weakness. It's a starting point. And every strong lifter, at some point, started exactly where you are. By focusing on mobility, mastering your body weight, and following a structured progression, you'll not only build leg strength fast, but you'll do it safely and confidently. So, commit to this routine 2 to 3 times a week. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins. And remember, strength built with patience lasts a lifetime. If this video helped you, tap the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a workout. And for your next step, watch my video on how to master the perfect body weight squat. It's the perfect follow-up to this routine. Until then, train smart, stay consistent, and keep moving forward.